Welcome everybody to the new and improved Odd Autos. Hello and welcome back to another video here at Odd Autos. In this video we will be painting the Corrado. I bought this Corrado a couple of years ago and it was totally standard. I tried flogging it on but no one would buy it because from far away it looked really nice, but when you got up close you could tell it had been painted several times badly. In October 2018, my friend called me from the Essen Motor Show and said could I take a car there. So I had this Corrado and I thought, why don't I do up the Corrado, do a build, but only spend the money on what somebody would spend on wheels. So the theme of the car was to take it back to its raw basic metal. So what we did, we took all that terrible paint off, cleared over the top of the bare metal, made some metal bumpers, stuck some steel wheels on it and cleared those, and then basically did the interior to match. The problem is we didn't have a spray booth back then, so Keith and me, well mainly Keith, painted it in a dusty barn with an extractor that was about that big. The paint turned out alright, but not the kind of quality you get from a spray booth. So we got to the show, all was fine, people were loving it. Unfortunately, I brought it back from the show, left it in storage and didn't realise the roof of the storage was bust exactly over the top of where the car was sat. I didn't go down there for about 7 months and when I did it was ruined. All the lacquer had lifted off, it had started to rust quite badly and it needed something doing to it. So what we're going to do with the car this time is, because I like that brush look, we are going to paint it in aluminium paint. So we do a black base coat first and then spray over a coarse aluminium, then scotch the brushed effect into the aluminium, then lacquer over the top. So hopefully we'll get the same effect as the brushed steel look, but by painting the car. Will it work? We just don't know. I've never done it before, so we'll see. It's already been primered and flatted, so we're going to push it into the booth now and get that black undercoat on it. Let's get cracking. So good news, the paint has arrived. And look at the cool packaging it comes in. I tell you, that is. Gives me an idea.
Round one, fight! You win. Perfect.
Anyway, that's enough of that. But looking at this packaging, I've had an idea with the lines. Now we've got the Corrado in black base coat, what if we put some stripes down it and a badge, maybe saying Volkswagen or Corrado or something like that, spray the aluminium paint, then peel the stripes and badge off, then a couple of coats more of the aluminium to ghost it in. Should look all right and break up all that silver, so let's give it a go. And there we have it, folks, another one finished and all ready to go out the door. And doesn't it look amazing? Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, that looks so much better. The brushed effect turned out really good and definitely was a great idea, ghosting in those stripes and that Corrado badge, so it's not just a big silver blob of a car. The interior we've kept the same, aluminium race seats, and all the interior trim is done just in steel with lacquer on it. I had to get some new wheels in the end because we can do the brushed effect. I could do it on the plastic mirrors, the spoiler and the aerial, so I thought why not get some wheels, do the brushed effect on those, they look much better. So this was only a quick job, took about a week, but it was well worth doing. At least now, if I take it outside in the wet, it ain't gonna rust. So usually at this point in the video, I take it out for a drive, but old Boris has locked us down, so you'll have to settle with just a couple of pictures. Hope you like it. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's just start going for it. Just as they start up a thing next door, and the fan cuts in. Mint. We got a fan, we got the door making a noise, and we got next door a lawnmower place. You watch, they'll start revving the out of it. So right, what are we going to do to the car now? It's that f***ing buzzer. This is going to be about a 10-minute long video.
Aluminium, and then after that, just say we've got to give it a black base coat.
Yeah, yeah. Shut the door. With no extraction. So the paint was okay, but it was not as good as the bed. Stickers and stripes off, then a couple of coats more of silver, and ghost that look in. F me. Heater, it's freezing in here. Turn off. Anyway, enough of that. But looking at this packaging, I've had an idea. Here now, it's going to be a ball ache, this is. Ha-ha. Yeah! Remember, if you like the video, leave us a big fat like,